Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Spence here at Core 4x4. While we had the Bronco in the studio, I wanted to take a second and highlight a new product we're coming out for the 2021 and up Ford Broncos, and that's our Crawler Series rear sway bar end links. Now, I wanted to do this because we were in the middle of this build and I realized the rear sway bar was going to be our limiting factor in flexibility on this build. So to help alleviate that, we're going to be replacing the Bronco factory sway bar end links with our Crawler Series end links that are longer to match the lift kit, but also have johnny joints on both ends to really increase the flexibility of this ride. So let's get into it. Now this is a really straightforward install. We're just unbolting the factory sway bar end links and bolting in the new ones. But I did want to mention that you will need an 18mm wrench as well as a small ratchet with a 9mm socket for your removal. And install, you'll be needing a 19mm wrench and a 19mm socket. Now the end links do come with new hardware. You will want a torque wrench because we will be torquing these down to 65 foot-pounds. So let's get under the Bronco and get these things bolted on. All right, to remove your factory sway bar end link, it is a ball joint with a stud that's gonna rotate. So you need to have the 9mm socket and ratchet on here to hold that stud in place in order to remove everything. All right, so that about wraps it up for our rear sway bar end link install on the new Ford Bronco. Now, like I said, this is really gonna help us out with flexibility in the rear end. We are at 3.5 inches of lift now, and the sway bar was our limiting factor on down travel. It shouldn't be the case now with this upgrade, and we can move on to the rest of the build. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps us out. So stay tuned for the next video where we do the front coilovers and the front upper control arms from Icon.